Hello, welcome back to my channel. I know I've not been online for a long time, but I thought I'd go back to the hourly rate videos I was doing a long time ago. So today I thought it'd be a good idea to test out the hourly rate on removing these slots. So the first thing I always do is look in them just to see if there's any gold plating. So obviously, I don't know if you'll be able to see on this camera, but you can see little bits of gold plating in. I don't personally actually remove the pins out of the plastic because it's not worth the time. I just take off like that and then sell it as it is to people which will don't mind taking these apart and refining themselves, or you can just put them in acid as they are and fish the plastic out after. But anyway, the way I'm going to do it is a chisel, not a chisel, one of these and a hammer. And you just push it underneath and hammer, and they seem to just come off easy. Definitely the best way of doing it. I'm going to do 5 minutes of doing them, along with loads of other boards, and then we'll times it by 12, and that's going to be the hourly rate of doing it, and we'll just see if it's worth it. Yeah, I'll make a few videos like that. Hopefully I might bring them all out in one day. Anyway, Anyway, let's start the video. As you can see, oh, you can't see. As you can see, just go across like that. I need to get a better stand. Or just not knock into this one. As you can see, that's off, and not one pin was left on there. I'm not going to go fast, as obviously that will not give an accurate hourly rate. We'll just go at average pace. Another one off. See, I'm doing 4 at a time now. Be good to see what people pay for these pins in plastic, as I've not actually found any. I can imagine about 50p per kilo, or half a dollar per kilo. Obviously, some pins fall off. You can see in there. I put that in the box with them. Anyone who does want to buy them, comment down below and I'll let people know. I'll also sell you mine, as I get a lot of them. Is that board done? I save the MLCCs which fall off. Normally there's always MLCCs between them. And that's that done. Other types have the same, even those. I wouldn't class that as the same thing. I'll do that on another video, connectors. I'm just going to do the sort of RAM slots. Always check that they have gold pins in them first, because people won't buy if they're just copper or nickel plate copper. Yeah. Another one done. These ones have quite large MLCCs on this board, so I'll make sure they definitely get saved. Oh yeah. Another one, as you can see, this one's broken. You can clearly see they're quite well plated, some of them. Another one. If it does have IC chips, as you can see between them, just still hit it, and if the IC chips fall off, then you can just save them. It's my favourite tool for removing pins, as it just gets them fast. Some of these bigger ones, some of the pins will fall out, and those you can just pick up after, not many. I'll do both. Obviously, MLCCs, I ain't going to count them, not the MLCCs, the IC chips, I'm not going to count them in this, but obviously that does up your hourly rate. I didn't keep track of the time, just looked, and it's gone past my 5 minutes. We'll just get these off and then we'll work out the hourly rate. These big ones, a lot of pins fall out, because the pins are heavy. They can fall out the sockets easy. You can just pull the bits of broken plastic in with it. It doesn't matter too much, because people buying this will refine it in the plastic anyway, most likely. Done. So it's been almost 8 minutes, so we're times the amount by 7 for weight. So that's what we got. There's a couple of aluminium capacitors falling in. I can see a few, they're the gold pins which fell out. And then we've also got all these. Right, we'll go weigh them. Right, so I've got the scales. We'll turn them on. we'll put the pot on and cancel the weight out so it's on 0. So as you can see, we've got, I don't know if you can see, 176 grams. I don't actually know the value of that, so as I've not been given any offers for them. So I might try to eBay them or just see if anyone who's watching this wants to buy them. I'm guessing probably it'll be about 50p to £1 per kilo. So anyway, we need to work this out. 178 grams it is. Keep changing. 178 grams roughly, and we times that by 8. So you should get about 1,420 grams per kilo. Per hour, sorry. 1,420 per hour. So about 1.5 kilos per hour, which isn't too bad. But always make sure that you remove the ones with gold plating, otherwise you'd just be wasting your time knocking them off. Normally only the old ones have gold plating, but can be surprised. The pins I wouldn't have thought would have yielded that much. Maybe I couldn't even guess. Probably not even half a gram per kilo. But I can imagine if there was a lot of them, and quite a large majority of the weight here would be the pins, as metal's obviously heavier than plastic, and there's a lot of pins in them. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and feel free to come back to another video. I'll probably upload another couple of videos today, and we'll just see how it goes. Thank you, bye bye.